Hello everyone, I will introduce WordQ. What is WordQ? WordQ is assistive technology software developed by Soft Limited. WordQ is a software tool aimed at helping students, those with learning disabilities, who struggles with writing, editing, and/or reading, English language learners, and second language learners. It helps users realize their full potential and gain confidence in their communication and self-expression. This tool isn't limited to just English. It can also use French, Spanish, and German. WordQ is a writing skill improvement and compensation tool that works on top of any Windows or Mac OS application where students write. It also has WordQ for Chrome. It is easy to use text editor for Chromebooks with a writing skill improvements and compensation tools, and WordQ and WordQ browser extension. WordQ has been used for years by elementary, secondary, and post-secondary students in classrooms around the world, and by professionals in the workplace too. The cost of the tool. WordQ 5, the latest version of WordQ software, is $75 for 1 year, but if you want to purchase it for permanent, it costs $199. What functions does WordQ provide? WordQ provides word prediction and speech feedback and proofreading, speech recognition. WordQ 5 supports elementary and secondary students by offering practical strategies. This supports current UDL environments, recognizing the importance of pedagogy and integration of assistive technology. Assist technology UDL. Multiple means of representation give learners various ways of acquiring information and knowledge. Multiple means of expression provide learners alternatives for demonstrating what they know. Multiple means of engagement tap into the learner's interest, appreciate challenges, and increase motivation. Let's explore WordQ 5. I will demonstrate how to use WordQ. I downloaded free trial WordQ 5. I'm going to use it with Microsoft Word. WordQ is under all programs. And now you can see the toolbar. It has options, microphone options, words, speech, read. I'm going to hit the screen and you see the box. This box show you predict words. I'm going to type I. When you type it and press the space bar, it reads the words for you.
Will.
Now I'm going to if
Demonstrate.
I don't know which word I want to go, you move your mouse and hit the words and it read the words for you.
Demonstrate. Demon. Democratic. Democrat. Democrat. Demonstrate.
Okay, I decided to go to demonstrate.
Demonstrate.
And then after that, it showed the words comes next.
How to use word
and period. And I'm going to hit the space bar.
I will demonstrate how to use WordQ.
When I hit the space bar, it read the whole paragraph. Okay, now I'm going to show you the options. The option, they have obligations and the predictions. I'm going to hit the predictions, and you see the word list and predictions and selections. I'm going to go to word base. Okay, now I have 5 words in the word box. It has a display, and it's a order of words, and the position of the list. This means is when you start to write it, you see the box. Sometimes this box bothers you. So if you want to move this box in certain place, you hit the prediction and the position of list. You can click the leave in the space and say OK. And then you see the box. You can move the box the place you want to put. Okay, I'm gonna write a more word
Q.
Okay, when you miss when you have a typo, we still read the words, so you can realize you made a mistake or you typed wrong. So
assistant, assisted. Assistive.
It's correct the words automatically, and it read the words, correct words.
Is.
Now I'm going to hit
technology.
number 2 key sign.
Technology.
And it's write the words
that
automatically.
And.
Okay, now I'm going to press the period.
WordQ is assistive technolog.
Okay, I need to press Y here. And I'm going to put the space bar. I'm going to hit the space bar again.
WordQ is assistive technology.
It read the whole paragraph for me. So this tool helps the students who has trouble writing. They listen to what they have written to see if it makes sense. It's easy to turn the different functions of WordQ on and off. If ever you're typing and in the middle of the words you need to help, you can turn on the words in box, and it will give you a prediction of what words you are trying to find. If you are trying to decide between different words, as you to which one you want, you click on the speech.
Education. And. Education. Education.
And you can hear what words you want, and now you can hear the words you type every time you press the space bar. How can students use WordQ to improve their vocabulary and other important skills? WordQ provides the students with the ability to enhance their vocabulary. There's a text prediction. It helps the students who have a difficulty with the spelling becomes aware of and familiar with the spelling of the certain words. And text-to-speech is converting normal language text into speech. How is WordQ useful to teachers in the classroom? Students are able to engage in their work more independently. They will no longer need to ask a teacher for support during each step of the writing process. Teachers have more time to support students who need more extra help. How does WordQ connect with the differentiated instructions? WordQ is perfect for auditory learners who learn best through listening. How does WordQ connect with the Ontario curriculum? WordQ is intended to be used by students in kindergarten to grade 3, and it used in language art class. It assists the students in producing well-written documents and or reports in most subjects. And it helps students who struggle in the second or foreign language. Okay, WordQ does not write for students nor fix all their mistakes, but WordQ makes it easier to independently write more effectively. There's no criticism and no pressure, so writing can be enjoyable. Thanks for watching my presentation.